Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, my friends. Today's recipe is a recipe for hummus. Uh, Usually, people make hummus with the chickpeas. Okay, and but today I'm showing you today to make a hummus with the different things as well. Yeah, and it will be very nice. Don't think what I'm putting in there, but if you like it, just make it, taste it, and then tell me what you think about it. Yeah, so shall we start? I will tell you what's the ingredient I'm using in there. Okay guys, ingredient I'm using in there. So first off is extra virgin olive oil, and I got chickpeas here, I got butter beans, I got sesame seeds here, I got a few garlic, I got salt, parsley, I got coriander, I got mint, and I got 2 chili. Yeah, so shall we start now? First thing, I'm gonna put some chickpeas in there. Okay, I use half of, if you're using a half chickpeas, you put half butter beans. Okay, I'm gonna put about 5 garlic pieces. I put 2 chili in there. I'm gonna put sesame seed. Okay. I'm gonna put some parsley. I'm gonna put some mince in there. This is a very quick recipe, and believe me, it will be so nice. You will enjoy it. And I got some coriander I'm putting in there. Now I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna put the lid on. Now I'm gonna put some more oil in there. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put some salt in there. I'll be putting 2 teaspoons salt in. Yeah, and I'm gonna put some more olive oil. ready. Okay. This is my hummus. I'm gonna take it out. Yeah, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys. This is my hummus, green hummus, and believe me, it's very tasty. You should try this. Make it at home. Yeah, and I put olive oil on top. It's served with the garlic bread, and you can serve with the Turkish bread as well. So please let me know in your comments what you think about it. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in the comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.